सभी योग साधकों को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं आपका स्वागत करती हूँ मेरे YouTube चैनल योगा वेलनेस पर। आज की वीडियो में हम ऐसे योगा फ्लो की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे जो हमारे पूरे बॉडी पे काम करेगा। अगर आपके पास समय की कमी है तो ये जो योगा फ्लो है ये क्विक भी होगा और इफेक्टिव भी होगा, तो आप इसको प्रैक्टिस करके अपनी बॉडी को फिट रख सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। स्टार्ट करने के लिए अपने मैट के स्टार्टिंग पे आ जाएंगे। ताड़ासना में दोनों पैरों को मिलाकर रखेंगे और जो बॉडी का वेट है वो बिल्कुल इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होगा ऑन आवर बोथ लेग्स, बोथ फुट। इनहेल, आर्म्स अप, आर्च बैक, एंड एक्सहेल करते हुए बैंड फॉरवर्ड इनटू उत्तानासना। Try to touch your head to your knees. Inhale, head up, chest up, and exhale करते हुए walk back to plank and chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And keep breathing. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Take your right leg up. And with exhalation, bring your right leg beside your right foot. And left leg come on your toes. Breathe here. Now inhale and with exhalation come on your forearms. Feel the stretch on your entire legs. Keep breathing. Keep doing inhalation and exhalation. Stay for a while here. Feel the stretch. Now inhale, come on your palms, and with exhalation, go back to downward dog. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Now inhale, take your left leg up and bring your left leg beside your left hand. Adjust your right leg, come on your toes. Inhale and exhale here. Now inhale and with exhalation come on your forearms. Look front. Feel the stretch that is coming on your legs, in fact entire body. This is Utthana Prishthasana or lizard pose. Keep breathing. Stay for a while here. Now inhale, come up on your palms, and with exhalation, go back to downward dog. Keep breathing here in downward dog. Now inhale, come to upward dog. Stretch your entire body, and with exhalation come back to downward dog. Now inhale, take your right leg up, and with exhalation bring your right leg between both your palms into half pigeon. Flatten your left leg. Now come on your fingertips and inhale and stretch your body back. Feel the stretch in your spine. With exhalation, bend forward. Either you can keep your hands here or stretch them in front of you. Keep breathing here. Now inhale, come up and bring your right foot parallel to your shoulders. It will give you a nice stretch on your legs. And now inhale, look up, and with exhalation bend forward. Stretch your hand in front of you. Keep breathing here. Now inhale, come up and take your leg back to downward dog. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Now take your left leg up with inhalation, and with exhale bring between your palms into half pigeon. Come on your fingertips. Inhale, look up, and with exhalation bend forward. Stay there for a few seconds. Keep breathing. Inhale, come up. Now bring your leg parallel to your shoulders, and inhale, look up, and with exhalation again bend forward. Here normal breathing. Inhale, come up, and with exhalation go back to downward facing dog. Now few deep breaths here. Relax yourself. Feel the work that you have done on your body. Keep breathing. Inhalation and exhalation. Now inhale, and with exhale drop your knees on the mat and come into tabletop position. Your knees under your hips and your shoulders, your palms under your shoulders. Now from here I am shifting little back. Now from here we will go into Uttan Shishupasana or extended puppy pose. Inhale, and with exhalation walk your palms forward and place your chest on the mat and extend your upper body. Keep breathing here. Normal breathing. Feel the stretch on your upper back, arms, armpits. Stretch properly. Keep breathing. And with inhalation, slowly come back into tabletop. Now, Marjorie cat and cow. Inhale, look up, arch your back. Exhale, round your back, chest to chin, chin to chest. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, arch your back, look up. Exhale, round your back and chin to your chest. Relax yourself completely here. Now we are going to do Parshva Balasana or thread the needle pose. It's a very good pose for all over body. What you have to do, just take your right hand little forward in comparison to left hand and inhale here, and with exhalation take your left hand under your right hand and slightly bend your right hand and place your ear on your mat. Your shoulder and ear should be in one line. This hand either you can keep here, you can keep it here. Normal breathing in the pose. Your entire spine is getting a good stretch. Keep breathing. When you want to come back with inhalation, bring your right hand back and slowly bring your left hand. Now we will do this on opposite side. Take your left hand slightly forward. Inhale, and with exhalation, bring your right hand under your left hand, shoulder on the mat and ear, and this hand extend on your upper ear. Keep breathing here. Your whole body getting benefit from this asana. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Come back with inhalation into tabletop position, and now relax in Shashakasana from here. Few deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Deep breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel the effect of asanas on your body that you have done in this session. Keep breathing. Relax yourself completely. Breathe in and breathe out. And after this, with inhalation, come up, and after this you can relax in Savasana 2. Now if you have time, you can do more rounds of this yoga flow and your whole body workout is done. अगर ये वीडियो, ये योगा फ्लो आपको पसंद आया हो तो इसको अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ शेयर कर दें, और मेरे चैनल योगा वेलनेस को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दें, जिससे आपको आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस मिलती रहे. टिल माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो, टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ.